Welcome to meditation. Do physical pain feel like quiet, throbbing waves within your body? They might grasp, pull attention, making each breath heavy, stealing away your simple joy. Today, we'll meditate to deeply listen to your body. Open up and cultivate miraculous recovery. This guided meditation for pain relief, like warm, soothing water, gently caresses muscles, easing discomfort. I once felt stuck in helplessness, but meditation led me to profound acceptance and deep relief. Find a peaceful space now where you can simply lie back on green grass, feeling Mother Earth tenderly support you. Gently lie down, completely relax your whole body, allowing yourself to sink into the space's softness. Inhale deeply, visualizing each breath, carrying healing light, spreading to the body part, needing solace. Exhale slowly, feeling all tension, all pain, gently melting away, escaping with each breath. Repeat this calm rhythm. Each inhale is a flow of renewal. Each exhale, a sweet release. Now, bring your attention to the body area, feeling discomfort. Don't judge. Explore it gently. Feel the pain like a delicate mist. It exists, but you don't need to cling to it. If you feel lighter, please comment "heal" below and share this moment. Now, visualize a bright, warm spring of light flowing directly from your heart's core. This light spreads, soaking every cell with warmth and peace. It gently soothes, softens all stiffness, all pain, melting away like ice in sunlight. Pain is simply a signal, not your master. You have the power to transform it. Send deep love to that body part. Grateful. It constantly tries to serve you daily. Healing energy brightly awakens like a radiant sunrise, illuminating the river of your life. You feel stronger, more flexible, like an ancient tree sprouting new life after winter. Your body's inherent healing ability is now activated naturally and wonderfully powerful. You realize your inner strength helps you face, understand, and overcome all discomfort. Practicing daily pain relief meditation will help you consistently maintain this state. You will find yourself less affected by pain. Life becomes much freer and brighter. Your body will respond more positively to all therapies, all the care you give it. This is the key to building a grateful, harmonious relationship with your sacred body temple. You will feel deeply grateful and utterly trust your own miraculous healing abilities. Are you ready to fully uncover your inner wellspring of healing and powerful recovery? Carry this profound peace into all activities. Every moment, listening subtly to your body. Thank you for walking with us in this beautiful garden of restoration. Here at Meditation, we support your journey to ultimate freedom and well-being. Please like, subscribe, share for peace, and comment a way you'll care for your body today. Below, we'd love to hear your journey